Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. And whatever your time zone, good morning, good evening. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Today, I will be talking on you never can tell. You never can tell. How far is far? How deep is deep? How high is high? You can never tell until you try. Guys, guess what? TBC offers humanity a total and complete solution. And many are asking, how? How possible? Guys, to the Kringle community, I encourage you, I charge you. Let's keep on until we achieve our goal. Let me give you a short story. Do you remember Henry Ford? He was the man who had very little education about what an automobile industry should look like. But with that little education, he was able to revolutionize the automobile industry with his mass production strategy. One day he tasked his team to make a special engine which he called V8 engine. His team knew it was impossible for a professional, from a professional point of view, to make such an engine. And the Ford requested. They look at the way he described it, and they told him to his face that it is not possible. But Henry Ford maintained that he wanted a V8 engine and that they must make it. Every time Ford will ask his team, how far have they gone with the engine? And the answer always was that V8 engine is an impossibility. The same way many people have been saying it's not possible for TBC to eradicate poverty. It's not possible for TBC to make over 1 billion people billionaires. Guys, guess what? After 3 months of impunctual demand, the team knew they must do something about Ford's request. And then they decide and they made the first attempt to make the V8 engine. After another 5 months, the impossible V8 engine became possible through the same team. And this one goes to all especially the culture members. Let us maintain our ground. Let us keep pricing. Let's keep supporting. Let's keep building. We shall get there. Very soon we shall laugh last. And we achieve that aim, that vision of eradicating poverty and having 1 billion billionaires in the world. And then we make the world a better place. Why? Because we be able to create enough and abundance job for people. Most of the things we classified as impossible on our ways are simply untried. And that is why TBC is resolute, irrespective of the naysayer, those who are slandering, who are speaking negatives, who are speaking ills of TBC. We know that it is possible and we shall achieve our goal. Most times we allow what we see and hear determine what we can do and become, and we ignorantly limit ourselves. Thank God that in the Kringle community, irrespective of negativity coming on board, we are resolute. We are not giving in to all these negative talks, negative sayings, every act of slandering against us. We're not giving to that. We are resolute in our determination, in our focus to achieve our mission. We are not being limited by any form of ignorant talks. We believe in our vision. My friend, when it comes to what you think you can do, don't be quick to jump into conclusion because you can never tell. Guys, we can achieve it and we shall make it. So this is a wake-up call to all Kringle community members, and especially to the culture members. We shall make it and we shall get there. Thank you very much for listening to this broadcast. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and press that button by your right hand side and subscribe for subsequent updates. God bless you.